Hi, this is Sherry Veronica. And yesterday we saw where Patrick King is up before Barbara Cooke-Alleyne. And when Patricia Benedict saw that particular justice, she wanted to say something about her as it concerns her and a matter that she brought Cooke-Alleyne into and how it affected her. Patricia Benedict, hi, come on in. You there?
Yes, Miss Veronica, thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
When
You're
I saw
welcome.
this article, it was the Saturday that was the 21st, I
Yes,
think, of
yes, it
October
was yesterday.
2023.
Yes.
And I saw Justice Barbara Cooke-Alleyne. Now, I had a conversations with somebody. I didn't want to explain to you all who, Mr. Williams, no. And the person was saying that she must have just got appointed Justice, Miss Veronica, because for a while now, and me and this person had who is in the court system, not in Whole Town, was talking about her, and she was telling me all the stuff she have done, and that is why she is acting justice. But I wonder all of a sudden now how she was appointed justice. But anyway, I had a matter that I complained about. I wrote a letter to the Supreme Court. I think it was the same I think it was Miss Barbara Cooke-Alleyne, July the 7th, 2020 and July 9th, 2020, pertaining to a then Magistrate Wonderblay, Guyanese Magistrate Wonderblay, who was the magistrate of Whole Town Court. And like Magistrate, what's the gentleman name?
Wayne Clark.
They both works for Tina Pavosino and Santa Cruz. So I had several issues with her, lots of frustration. So hence I wrote the letter. I will read it to you. Supreme Court of Barbados, Supreme Court Complex, White Park Road, St. Michael. I got a reply from Miss Barbara Cooke-Alleyne, who was QC at that time. QC Registrar of the Supreme Court. July 13th, 2020, Mrs. Patricia Benedict, on Thursday, July 16, 2020, that's when she wrote me the letter. Dear Madam, your letters dated July 7th, 2020 and July 9th, 2020, and telephone conversation with my secretary refer. The content of your letter is being investigated. As soon as I have the necessary report from the court, read the ejectment case, I will notify you of the contents. Yours faithfully, Barbara Cooke-Alleyne, QC, Registrar of the Supreme Court. Copy to the Honorable Prime Minister, Chief Justice, Attorney General, Director of Public Prosecutions, and Commissioner of Police. And those are the people I had CC to also. Miss Veronica, Judge Wonderblay should have never been a judge. Not after all what the things I highlighted in the letter. That should have never been happened. That should never happen in Barbados, Miss Veronica. Miss Judge Wonderblay should never be a judge. Should have never been a judge. Because when I wrote that letter, and a few days, she said they removed her because she spoke to me when I went in front of her. She said, Miss Benedict, hey, exact words, Miss Benedict, you must be happy. Something like you must be happy that you're getting rid of me, or to the certain extent, you're getting rid of me. Something like that to the extent in the court. And
who said those words? Who said those words?
Magistrate Wonderblay.
Okay.
You must be happy that I'm leaving. No, you must be happy that I'm leaving. Because after my letter.
I don't think it had anything to do with the letter. I really don't think that she was leaving because of anything that was in the letter.
No. I complained in detail. That's what I'm going to share with the public. What Miss Magistrate, you don't understand what Justice Wonderblay did was she should have. Can I say she should have been charged?
But okay, so she's a judge now, right? Wanda Blair is now just
Yes.
okay. So the letter. Okay, go ahead. She was
That's how
promoted.
serious, and not only
Since
one
then she has
man,
been
many.
promoted. Since then she has been promoted.
Yes. But legally, Miss Veronica, they think they've gotten away legally with it. And Miss Benedict will be coming with lawyers. And I will show them legally they cannot get away with what they're getting away with. So in 2020, she responded, Miss Barbara Cooke-Alleyne, who was the QC at the time for the registrar of the Supreme Court, sent me that letter July 13, 2020. Where are we now? 2 years and how many months later, Miss Veronica?
It's actually 3 years. If it's July and this is 2023, it's over 3 years.
2021, 2020, no, 2020. It happened 20.
And this 2023.
Yes. I just realized that 3 years. 3 years. Miss, those matters, and that's why I told y'all people, y'all do not understand. I have so much to share with y'all. She should have never been a judge. And not after all the things that Judge Wanda Blair, now she's a judge, did for that organization, Sansa Crest and Tina and them. Against me, the same thing Magistrate Wayne Clark doing. And that's why I am also opting for Magistrate Wayne Clark to be fired or to resign. So this is what all I have to say. Magistrate Justice Wanda Blair should have never been a judge. That's all I have to say, Miss.
But this is not about Wanda Blair. This is actually about Barbara Cooke-Alleyne.
Yes, but it's pertaining to Miss Judge Justice Wanda Blair. She was a magistrate then at Whole Town. Now she's a justice. So had they had investigate when I made those serious complaints against the then magistrate Wanda Blair, she wouldn't have been a judge. She would not have been a judge, Miss Veronica.
So Barbara Cooke-Alleyne is now a judge too. So she should not have been a judge either in your mind.
No, she did not do her job.
So you think if somebody dropped the ball once that should discredit them for everything else that they've done in their career?
No, those matters were very serious against Justice Wanda Blair. They were very serious matters. So there's absolutely no way she should have been a justice too. Barbara Cooke-Alleyne should not have been a justice too.
Okay, all right. So is that it?
Yes, that's it, Miss Veronica.
Okay, thank you so much.
And I wish Patrick King all the best.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming in. And this is Sherry Veronica, Naked Departure Radio.